with reports suggesting that Orlando Pirates are preparing to offer Polokwane City 15 million for Oswin Apolis and Kaizer Chiefs understood to have matched the offer. The Sia crew has the latest on the matter. According to reports in local media, Chiefs were getting ready to bid 10 million, which was rejected by Polokwane City, with Pirates then believed to be preparing an offer of 15 million plus a player. The big difference is about 5 million, and there were internal plans to offer Polokwane City a player on top of the 15 million, a source revealed to the Sia crew. It's like a cat fight, you know how it is. Chiefs were the first one to show interest in Apolis, but then Pirate came in and now Chiefs want to make a better offer. An insider close to the dealings have revealed that no concrete offer is on the table yet and that things are uncertain at this stage. The 23-year-old has been in good form since joining the club from Pretoria Callis last season and has continued his exceptional form for Bafana Bafana. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.